For number 9, pretty standard vocab question, we should just read the lines and try to put our own word in for the vocab word so that we aren't biased and that we know based on the context what the meaning is supposed to be. So when I look at this, I have a little bit of trouble though. But when you push an ink stick along an inkstone, you take the first step to cleansing your mind and your heart. You push and you ask yourself, what are my intentions? What is in my heart that matches my mind? I have trouble here. My best guess for what they mean is something like, what is in my heart that goes with? Like, honestly, matches with is probably what I would say in those lines. So I have trouble replacing that because I like what's there, I guess. But, we need something. We just want another placeholder so that way we have two things to go on, right? The words that are there and our own words to try to match with the choices. And it's definitely not a competition. It's not something that goes against, right? I didn't get the idea of opposites here. And treats equally? How can my heart treat my mind equally? Like, that just seems weird. Whereas corresponds with, okay, that's a fancy way of saying this, but it matches, right? It's the same as going with something, matching with something, corresponding with something. Things are linked, and that's kind of the meaning that they're going for. So I wouldn't overthink it. But I do still like to follow the process and try my best to come up with another thing, another guess for what the word could mean so that I have as much information as possible and I have a little bit of guide from my instincts as I go in here. And I do think trusting your instincts is very helpful on these if you ignore the choices, which you're trying to take advantage of your instincts, and instead go and focus on the lines where your instincts will actually be very helpful.